for an opulent update. I've got some really beautiful fresh prawns here, and I've taken all the shell off in my blender and in with some ginger, and I've already chopped some garlic here, 3 or 4, and a little sugar, about a teaspoon or so, just to bring some sweetness. I've got sesame oil here, so just a little, it's quite strong, so maybe about a teaspoon of that, and soy, light soy sauce here, not the dark stuff. It won't colour your prawns so much either. I've got some toasted chili peppers here, about a teaspoon again, and that's it. Lid on and blend. What you're looking for is a lovely silky paste. I've got some spring onions too, typically Chinese. Just going to slice these up. So in with my mash. Already smells like being in a Chinese restaurant. Tumbling in the spring onions. Another mix. So once the paste is done, we're ready to wrap. Softly boiled eggs, water, something to rest the eggs on. The reason I've got the water is that this paste is super sticky, so it's best to work with wet hands. I'm going to take a bit of prawn toast mix, just about as big as the egg, and I'm going to flatten it in my palm, in with my soft boiled egg, and just wrap it up. Just make sure as you go around that the whole egg is concealed. Look at that, it already looks delicious, and it's not even cooked yet. Another. So once your eggs are all wrapped up, you just need to leave them in the fridge to just set for a while before we breadcrumb them and fry them. While my eggs chill out for half an hour or so, I'm going to get on with making the accompaniment, my banana ketchup. I sometimes just eat it on toast alone. I'm going to start with a hot pan and in with some oil, onion, chopped. When the onion starts to color, you need to put in some ginger and garlic. Ginger, garlic, chili. Give it a good mix. And now my spices. I've got Madras curry powder here. It smells incredible. And allspice berries, which I'm going to crush down. I love Madras curry powder because it just is that pure curry flavor. It brings a really delicious hot note, and it really makes the ketchup what it is. In with the allspice. And now for banana. Funny, everyone that I've served this dish to literally goes bananas for it. That's just mashed banana. Give it a good mix. Make sure all those spices are running through the banana. Just cook it down a bit. You can see it's taken on a really lovely dark color and it's gone quite thick. So it's ready for its next lot of ingredients. I've got cider vinegar here, and actually it's quite sweet vinegar. About a cup of it, and this is what makes it a ketchup, is the vinegar. And because I've put vinegar in, I'm going to put a touch of sugar in just to balance the sourness. Give that a good stir, and you can really smell that vinegar cooking now. Let it bubble away, and to give it an oriental touch, some light soy sauce. And I'm going to let this bubble away now until until the starch in the banana goes a little bit thicker and cooks right down. And what I want is a slightly firmer texture, and I want that vinegar to really reduce down because I'm not looking for such a sharp twang here. And that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. It's cooked. Let it cool now. I'm just going to decant it into a little jar. And actually, because of all the lovely spicy flavors in this ketchup, I think it makes a really marvelous Christmas gift for a Christmas hamper. And if you wanted it completely smooth, you could blend it, but I'm keeping it rough and ready. Wonderfully spicy. Ketchup's done, so now I'm going to continue with the eggs. I'm just going to beat some eggs. I'm going to get on with breadcrumbing these now. I've just got plain flour. And here, rather than breadcrumbs, a clever little thing is to get Thai prawn crackers, the ones that are quite spicy, and I've just blitzed them up. I'm just going to add some sesame seeds because after all, this dish is inspired by a sesame prawn toast. I just love the bite of the sesame. Quick mix. And on to the production line of wrapping. These are perfectly firm now. Quick roll in flour, beaten egg, and then the sesame seeds. The egg is just helping all the crumbs stick. So once again, flour, egg, and a quick roll in sesame seeds and prawn crackers. Eggs are all wrapped up, they're ready to meet the fryer. I've got my oil preheating already. I'm just going to drop these babies in. And they're not going to take long because prawns cook very quickly. So just 3 or 4 minutes max. Just make sure everything gets an even fry. And you can see, and this is the wonderful thing about using these prawn crackers, is that as they're deep frying, they puff up and go very, very crisp. This may not be skinny food, but you know, it's lovely to have it as a treat once in a while. Just remember to work it off at the gym. And these are ready. And you can see they're just wonderfully brown. Lifting them out to drain. These really are the bonny love children of a scotch egg and a prawn toast. Say a prayer and cut into one. And I boil them soft to the point of precariousness because I want the egg to run on the inside. They're perfectly runny on the inside. Look at that. Runny yolks. And that's my prawn toast scotch egg with banana ketchup.